Hello everyone, my name is Arnoud van Galen and I will try to teach you a very easy method of solving the centers of the 5x5. I have a little example. What we are going to do is we are only going to look at these 9 pieces of the puzzle. So the outer circle, we're not even going to look at that. The first thing we will notice is that this is a single white piece. This is how we will start with every center. The center will not have any pieces attached to it, or at least it's not necessary. Then the next part is like we have on the orange cube, or on the orange center. In the center there's orange, and there will be one edge connected to it. So it's orange with one edge connected to it. The next step will be like on the yellow center. We will have the yellow center with the one edge connected to it, but also with another edge and a corner connected to it. This means we now have a 2x2 block. The next step will be to expand the 2x2 block with another edge and another corner, like on the red part here. And then finally we will attach 3 more pieces like on the green part here. So we will have an entire center solved. I have a randomly random cube here, and it doesn't matter on which color we start, but for this tutorial we will start with white. So I search for the white center, and we see that it has nothing attached to it. Most of the time this is just one move and we will have a center with an edge connected to it. Now what we want to do is to build a corner and an edge of the white color. We want to connect them, and after that we want to attach it somewhere here or here. So let's build one. I will explain to you later how I do this, but first I will give you some feeling for how we solve these centers. So we have these two connected, and then we attach them here, so now we have the 2x2 block. We will do this once more. I have a corner here and an edge here, so I attach those two. This is my 2x2 block, and I can easily make it a 2x3 block now. And finally I need to build the last 3 white centers and attach them here. So first I start with the edge. I attach one of the corners to it. I search for the other corner and I attach that one to it. And now I have this bar which needs to go here. So now I have my first white center. After the white, we do what's opposite of white, and that would be yellow. We will do exactly the same order, and we see that we can skip the first step because the yellow center already has an edge connected to it. So it's already a 1x2 block. So the next step would be to look for one of these 2 bars, and we want to attach it here, for example. So the thing we do is that we only turn the outer layers, because if we do that, nothing can go wrong with the things we already have finished in the centers. Now we line this up so that if we do this move, it's connected. But as soon as we do this move, we mess up the white we already had. So this is the trick to keeping everything you have already finished healthy. You store this by turning the right side, then everything you have right here you put on the left side, and then you return the right side. So now white is still okay, and we have the 2x2 block here. Okay, so let's look for another 2x2 block. It's not made yet, so we have to do that ourselves. So we've made this and we want to connect it in the up layer. So this goes here by moving the left side. Now we turn to store everything we have from yellow on the right side, and then we return this side. We have the 2x3 block. Okay. This piece is not good yet. It needs to be attached to this one. So I attach it using the right side, turn it away to the left side, and I restore the right side. One more piece here. I attach it, the yellow with these yellows using the downside, turn it to up, and restore the downside. This is not really necessary, but I'll do it anyway. I turn the outer layer, so now yellow replaces this yellow. I turn it and it's done. That's the only exception. For the last 3 bars you always replace 3 bars you already have, turn it a half circle and return it. Okay, let's do red next. Red is already started. I look for these 2 pieces that are already connected. I turn this so that if I would do this move, it gets connected. I turn it to the other side and I return it. I look for another 2 red bars. I don't have them yet. So I make one of these bars, turn it to the safe place and return that side. These 2, connect, put it in a safe place and return it. The red piece, connect, put it in a safe place, not really necessary, and return it. And for the final red, I replace the 3 bars that are already here, turn it a half circle, and then return it. Now it doesn't matter if you do green next or blue next, but don't do orange, because orange is opposite red and it will take a lot of moves. I already have these 3 greens connected, but they're not where they should be. So I put them here in a safe place and return it. And now I can use these greens, connect and return. I have here 2 greens, actually 3, but I don't care. I connect it, put it here and restore it. This green, connect, store, return. This green with this green, connect, store, return. And again, now we have 3 greens. We replace 3 greens with this, half turn and restore. Okay, the final 2 colors, blue and orange, you have to do at the same time, because once one is solved, the other one is also solved. So I turn it, I already have the 2x2 part. Now I connect, store it and return it. And this is the special case. I am trying to build a 3x3 block by connecting, storing and returning. But now I can't connect this one with this one. But I do so anyway. I connect, restore, turn. And I do it again. Connect, turn, restore. Okay, and that's how you do the centers the easy way. I hope this will work for you, and I'll show you a more advanced method in a little while.